Hello everybody. It's middle of, actually it's getting close to the end of May, and I just realized that I have a bunch of these video clips that I have failed to get published. I want to apologize to everyone for this delay. I have just been running ragged, let's put it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and publish these as they would have been once I get them edited, a little bit at a time. I think there's 3 or 4 of them that should be coming up, and we'll try to get us all caught up to where we should be at this point in time as far as the progress with the barn. So here we go. Tuesday the 18th of April morning. It's starting to get green. Yeah, it's just absolutely getting more and more beautiful. Today, let me see if I can back out enough. If everything goes right, we're going to be replacing that storm door. Got a real nice storm door for Mrs. Stedhomer, and we're going to be replacing it. BFGT said he was going to try to get down here to help me, and if he does, then that's going to be here today. If, like I said, all of this based on certain things. We also have a real nice little storm door to put on the front of Mrs. Stedhomer's side of the barn. So we got a day's worth of work to do. We'll just see if we can possibly get some of it done. Don't know. We're in no hurry. You know how us old timers are. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, the first thing, of course, you always have to do if you're replacing a door is remove the door. Now we're getting ready to try to remove this one. As a matter of fact, I got a jump start before I remember to turn you all on. So we'll just see what we can do about finishing it up. And we are down. And that is the removal of the old door. We'll be back when we start putting the new one up. But the first thing it says is lay it down flat. And so I got them laid down flat. I just wanted to make sure I made that announcement so nobody would be confused. And do like most guys don't do. And I'm going to sit down, I'm going to turn the camera off, and I'm going to sit down over here on the steps, drink a little bit of coffee, and I'm actually going to read the instructions this time on how to put this up. The last one was a little crooked. I don't want to do that. Mrs. Stedhomer might not appreciate it so much. So, okay, we'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but right down here in this other box it says it stalls in half the time. Well, I figured out why. This is a new revelation. Look at this. They make the instructions so big, it's like they're yelling at you and they're screaming what to do and what not to do. So therefore, you know, and also for old guys, they put plenty of pictures in there. We're gonna follow this instructions here as much as we possibly can. And we're trying, not right now, honey, I will. We're trying to use BFGT's camera. Mine went dead on me, so we're going to try that. We've already done all of this up in here. Think we've done this. I just did this, got to place it on there, and we're getting ready to see if we can start putting the hinges over here on this side. So We shall be back in a little bit. Now it states we gotta put oh, they're saying, I think, attach the storm door to the door frame.
I can't believe you're reading damn instructions.
I even made a statement. I was letting everybody know that unlike most guys, I was going to do this time. Simply because the last time it was so crooked. Okay.
We don't do that.
You don't do it. I know we don't normally do it. I know that.
I didn't read the instructions. I'm nervous. You ought to read the instructions before I give you this.
Hand that to me.
Let me have your pocket knife, please.
We got the front door done, and Mama be happy. She thinks that is all the difference in the world, and you know I have to agree with her. So now we're going back over and we're getting ready to start on her door on the back side of the barn. Catch you there. This is Stay at Homer. I thank you for coming along. Got them doors hung today. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell your family, your friends, your local concrete worker. They sure did a good job here. We'll catch y'all the next time. Y'all have a blessed, blessed day.